So the next window we're going to look at is the pivoted window. So in the viewport here I've created a pivoted window in a very similar way that we've created the previous windows. And with the window still selected, I've come over to the modified panel and we can see the parameters for the height, width and depth, the frame, the glazing and the frame rails as well, which is very similar to all the previous windows we've created. This particular window we can increase the opening value, and you can see how the window pivots around a horizontal center point. I can switch to the vertical rotation by clicking on this option here, and now the window will rotate in a pivot in a vertical plane. So that's the pivoted window. Very simple creation process with the ability to pivot the window through the center of the frame either in a vertical or horizontal manner.